Bobby Bands got this shit booming.
Marco did it.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rambo Lee. Back at y'all with another video. Before I get into this video, make sure I go below, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this video. Alright, so as you can see, I got my rain jacket on because it's raining outside, as you can see. And I got the gang with me. So you're not going to say hey to people?
Hey.
You're not going to say what's up, welcome back to the channel, all that good stuff like you always say?
Like you said this morning. What's up, too?
We can't hear you.
What's up?
I don't know why he acting shy. He do this stuff every day. And I got my wife over here. She acting like it is a monsoon outside.
Okay, babe. Definitely bored.
Alright, y'all. So the time has come that I am trying to sell the Mercury. The reason I'm trying to sell it because I really just don't have the time for it. Because I had a really good year this past year with photography. So every weekend I was booked up and I worked Monday through Friday. So I just don't have the time for it. So I'm trying to sell it to somebody. I already got a lot of people interested in it. And yeah, selling it for the low because it doesn't crank. I don't have no wheels on it. So I do have at least 10 people interested in it right now. And I had it posted for less than 8 hours. So if nobody buys it, it's still on my Facebook. So go check out my Facebook, which is at the end of this video. And it'll be for sale on there. And it's on Marketplace in Columbia, South Carolina. So yeah, we about to go over there. I gotta go get some stuff off of it, and I'm gonna show y'all it one last time. Hopefully, it might be the last time. I don't know. All right, see y'all when I get to the car. All right, y'all, we are now here. I know this quality of this video is about to be atrocious. I got my beast over there, and we're about to. The guy that wants to buy it here. Oh, actually, it's a 5 lug. I did not know that. So I'm gonna give y'all one last look at the car. As you can see, it ain't the best of shape. But I actually got people that want to buy it, so why not let it go while I can? I started getting some of it out, but you know, it is what it is. You feel me? I will open the front door. Oh. It still got a 305 in it. Still got original 305. And I ain't about to lift that up because it's hard to put back down. And hold on, let me get the door open. I'm using my phone light because this camera light ain't the best quality. But yeah, like I told you on the last video, if you go watch previous videos on the car, this car's been sitting for almost 16 years. So it's not in the best of shape, but I'm selling it for like $500. Look, let's hit the door close. Oh, actually closed on the first time. But yeah, like I said, it still has the original 305 in it. I gotta put the phone light on my face because the camera quality is poor. But yeah, 1965 Mercury Monterey Breezeway is going for sale. I know this is a short video. I had to give y'all some content on it, but it's the last time. This might be the last time you'll see this car. So, might be the last time you'll really see this car. I will lift the hood, but I ain't trying to, you know, mess something up. But yeah, the body's still in good shape. Got a couple nicks here and there, but I mean, overall, it's not a bad car. A guy said he already has parts for it, so. I mean, the guy already said he has parts for it, so I'm gonna let it go. So I'm gonna sell it for $500 because it doesn't run, but it's still got a good body on it. So I'm not mad about anything about that. But all right, y'all, I gotta go because I gotta get my family home because it's time for dinner. Make sure I go subscribe to my channel, like this video. And I know this is an extremely quick one, but I had to give y'all something on it. Make sure y'all enter my giveaway for my wedding giveaway. Wedding photography and pergola giveaway. Make sure y'all go watch my last video. It's on my page. Go watch it. Go enter in. And it also has information on how to enter as well. So make sure y'all go enter in the giveaway. If you know somebody's getting married, enter in for them. It could be a good gift for them. You never know. Alright, y'all. Alright, subscribe and all that good stuff. Alright, now I'm on the way back home because it's starting to get dark and it's starting to pick up a little rain around here. And it already looks like I'm in the rainforest, but I'm really not. It's starting to get dark. And when it gets dark, the big bugs come out. So I'm about to go. Peace. Alright, y'all, it's the next day. So I know I told y'all I was gonna end the video, but no point. The guy's here. The guy's here moving it. So there's a guy, he bought it. I had it up for less than 24 hours. And he bought the car. So I'm getting rid of it. Like I told you, I just don't got the time for it. But yeah, it's going bye-bye. Like, if my job wasn't so much, I would have definitely been able to get up here, work on it, and all that good stuff, but and this, plus with this pandemic going on and I don't have any staff, so can't do it.
I'm going to pull up just a little bit.
It's because this wheel's still missing right here, so he'll get a better angle on this wheel so he can get it to go up on it. But yeah, out of respect, I'm not gonna get the guy on camera that bought it. So just out of respect, but I didn't ask him if I could record him, and I just don't want to start recording nobody, especially if they don't want to go on camera.
Okay, now if you cut the wheels real hard, it got very much blade. Huh? You got it? Once I start rolling.
Yeah, once I start moving, it should turn easier.
You ready? Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna make it.
You okay? Yeah.
Alright, this side's on.
Okay, start straightening it out.
Yeah, I say this side's on.
Yeah, we're on the... You get it?
Oh.
I got a bad right foot. I'm going to do the VA for it this morning.
So I have a club foot to back operation. I have a club foot from my back operation.
I think this front wheel gonna miss over here. Yeah, it is.
Do that for a little bit. You okay over there?
Yeah, it should get up there now. Yep. Heaven is up. One last look. Yeah, the guy here has parts for it and everything, so he already knows what he's doing. But, well, Mercury's gone.
Shame they shot out the windows.
I don't know what happened with that.
That's a shame.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, as you can see, Mercury's gone. Bye-bye, Mercury. But I got a new project coming soon. I'm trying to bet on what I'm going to get next. I do got another project coming soon, though. So make sure I go subscribe to my channel, like this video, and stay tuned for upcoming stuff. Also, I know I said I was going to end it in the last part of this video, but now I'm ending it. So I got to go. I got to get to work. And make sure I stay tuned for the next project. And make sure I end my giveaway, for my photography giveaway. Y'all got to the end of November now. All right, y'all. I'm gone. Peace.